all of you to please again a warm welcome to each one of you on behalf of SPAY India. Well, I always believe we start any evening, it should be on a brighter note. And चलिए आइए लैम्प लाइटिंग के साथ इस शाम का आगाज करते हैं. I would like to welcome our dignitaries right here to please do the honors and do the lamp lighting. Can I also request Mr. Sachin to please assist all our dignitaries? Let's have Mr. Sunny Singh Daulatabad, Mr. Dheeraj Kakkad, National Head M Bank, co-founder COO Mr. Sunil Dhawan, and our MD and CEO M Bank Mr. Sushant Joshi to please join us for the lamp lighting. तो चलिए आइए इस शाम का आगाज करेंगे और कुछ उजाला लेके आते हैं इस शाम में. On an auspicious note, ladies and gentlemen, आज दुर्गा अष्टमी भी है और कहते हैं कि जैसे जैसे इस शाम में उजाला आएगा वैसे वैसे ये शाम और शुभ होगी. So with this everybody, let's begin the evening on an auspicious note with the lamp lighting. और जितने भी लोग हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी एक बार जोर से तालियां हो जाएं as our dignitaries doing the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, can I request everybody to please put your hands together as we begin this evening. And this evening is going to be really memorable, everybody. Let's have more brightness to this evening. Thank you so much. I will request our dignitaries to please take your seats back and everybody, please settle down. Let's proceed further in this evening, ladies and gentlemen. Now to move forward in this evening, I would like to request Mr. Sachin Kudlekar, who is our VP Sales, to please join us and give a welcome address. एक बार जोर से तालियां हो जाएं. Over to Mr. Kudlekar, who is our VP Sales.
Thank you, Mark. So guys, are you excited? Great. So we warm welcome to all our chief guests, all dignities. So we are into final stage of our today's agenda. So moving forward, let's have a big round of applause for each and every team SPAY who has done fantastic job last month of 1,000 CR. Let's speak of the cross. Guys, this is for you. We are aiming 1,500 CR by December and we'll close this financial year by 2,000 CR. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? 3 cheers for SPAY, Team SPAY, Team SPAY, Team SPAY. Thank you guys, thank you very much. So this is our journey. I'm coming to our new portal. I request Mehek to take it forward to have a welcoming our dignity.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sachin. Well, ladies and gentlemen, our dignitaries are already here. And along with Mr. Sachin and Mr. Saurabh, once again, I would like to request our COO and co-founder, Mr. Sunil Dhawan, to please present the bouquets and give a very heartiest welcome to all our dignitaries. So let's have Mr. Dhawan out here to present the bouquets and give a very precious and a warm welcome to all our dignitaries present amongst us to grace this amazing evening. And ladies and gentlemen, it's so good to see all of you in the best of spirits. And why not? Well, it is 1000 CR celebration. और आने वाले टाइम में जैसे कि कुछ देर पहले मैंने बोला, it's going to be 2000 CR. We are anticipating that figure with all your determination and hard work. So let's have Mr. Sushant Joshi, MD and CEO, M Bank, a heartiest welcome. जोर से तालियां हो जाएं, everybody. Mr. Sunny Singh Daulatabad, a renowned politician. Well, ladies and gentlemen, तालियों की आवाज आनी चाहिए. We also have Mr. Dheeraj Kakkad, National Head M Bank. तालियों के साथ everybody. Let's give a heartiest welcome to all our dignitaries. एक बार जोर से तालियों की आवाज आनी चाहिए everybody. Come on. So once again, a warm welcome to all our dignitaries जिन्होंने अपना कीमती टाइम निकाला और हमारे बीच आज मौजूद हैं to grace this evening 1000 CR celebration. Everybody एक बार जोर से तालियां फिर से होनी चाहिए इस शाम में. Thank you so much. Thank you to our dignitaries. Thank you so much and I'll request all of you to please take your seats back. Well, चलिए आइए शाम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for a little briefing. And once again, I would like to hand over to Mr. Sachin Kurlekar, VP Sales, to give a little insights and briefing. Over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, here we go, guys. Yes. Can you imagine what is this? Guys, this is our version 2.0 and we have already briefed on this. So I am very delighted to say to all our dignity, all our chief guests. So this is our new 2.0 version wherein we'll rock in the market because as you know, we are the best in the market with the current portal and now we are coming with so many services, with so many excitement, with so many products on our board. So this is for you guys and I think we can cover up to entire stuff over here in 2.0 version. Let me start with the money transfer. I'll just give a short brief on what we are covering now in 2.0. So here is that money transfer wherein we are coming. If you see our last portal or maybe the old portal and the current scenario, we are covering all the product on the dashboard. So this is the beauty of our portal wherein we'll cover maximum services with all one shot, one key access to all the services. Coming with money transfer, here we go. Money transfer, yes. This is what money transfer window wherein you need to enter the number and the process start from here. Hold your breath, guys. So this is about our money transfer portal. Here we go with, we have two types of available limits. One is non-KYC and one is e-KYC. So non-KYC, as you know, we have a limit of 25K. And in e-KYC, yes, this is a new product for us wherein we are launching today only. We'll give a credit limit of 2 lakhs per month, wherein the per day limit is of 50K. So here is a one-click eKYC, wherein we already done the eKYC. So if you go to dashboard again, so we are done with the money transfer when we have two options. One is KYC and other is eKYC. So we have a eKYC option, guys. Are you excited? Are you excited, guys? I think what we are planning of 1500 CR with eKYC, I can hope you guys will do more than that. Am I right? Great. So the major and most important thing wherein we are coming with this portal is eKYC with the limit of 2 lakhs per number. Now coming to AEPS withdrawal. See, these are the services we are giving on our portal with shortcut keys, wherein we are covering all the major banks on front. You can access this bank for AEPS, plus you'll have other options of bank. You can select from any other bank. Here we are giving two types. One is Mafon, this thing to do eKYC. Now coming to dashboard again, the other service is what? Aadhaar Pay. The same thing is with Aadhaar Pay. We are covering all major banks with short keys. Then if you see wallet to wallet, this is the beauty of our product. Am I right, guys? What is the beauty? You can transfer any fund to any retailer, distributor in one click. So there is no hurdle to ask for the request or to send the request or wait for money. Am I right? So this is the beauty of our portal wherein you can transfer the money from one wallet to other wallet to any retailer, any distributor, anytime. Now coming to the recharges, yes, we have all the recharges with all the operators, Airtel, BSNL, Idea, MTNL, Reliance and Vodafone. Moving on to next product, yes, we have detailed recharge wherein we'll cover all the our operators, Airtel, Dish, Reliance, Sun TV, Tata Sky and Videocon. Now coming to our next services wherein we'll cover loan and insurance, bill payment, pay credit bills. These are the additional services we are giving. Yes, this is one of the most important wherein we are giving Paytm wallet. You can add your money through Paytm wallet. This is again one of the superb service we are giving. LIC insurance is there, book travels is there. Then you can add on funds, OTT subscription is there, bill payments. So these all are the services where we are giving in one short keys and are on front desk with a super service and super speed. So I request Saurabh to come on dais and let's brief about our journey for the last quarter, what we did and about our achievement of 1000 CR. Over to you, Saurabh.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome शशांक sir, Sunny Singh Daultabad भाई हैं हमारे भाई ऐसे हैं, and of course Dheeraj Kakkar, one of a very close friend. So, sir, this journey to 1000 crore was a hell of a ride. I mean, we can say this. Sunil sir has been there. उम्र कितनी भी हो 16 के हिसाब से काम करना है. We have been working tirelessly for like past so many nights, so many days. और 1000 crore का journey is not something, a milestone which we see, not a very big achievement which we see, but yes, definitely one of the first steps we take towards reaching ourselves to 1 lakh crore, which is not a dream, which can be a reality. So we are contributing somewhere around 10,000 crore in this financial year to the country through our services, but we'll be focusing on bringing in somewhere around 80,000 to 90,000 CR of annual turnover in the coming 3 to 5 years. This is the vision. Shashank sir, I would like to tell everyone, Shashank sir is a name. Shashank Joshi is a name which every one of us must have heard somewhere or the other. One of the big shots in the industry. Money and Mobile was his baby. M-Bank again is his baby. Coming up from such a vast experience in this fintech, we young people, we get to learn a lot from him. जितना सर आपसे सीखा है, we wish कि इतना कुछ आपके आसपास थोड़ा सा सीख सकें. So thank you so much for coming, sir. A big round of applause for Shashank sir again for joining us in our portal launch journey. And we look forward for a way forward कि हम साथ में और कैसे आगे बढ़ें. Talking about भाई Sunny Singh Daultabad. So Sunny bhai is very close to me. We have been, he's a young entrepreneur, young businessman. Then he's he joined politics recently. But his brother, Bhai Rakesh Daultabad, is chosen MLA from Badshahpur क्षेत्र. और इनके साथ सर जब हमने काम करना शुरू किया तो इन्होंने बहुत भगाया हमें. इलेक्शन के लिए यहाँ भागो, इलेक्शन के लिए वहाँ भागो, यहाँ से वोट लेके आओ, वहाँ से वोट लेके आओ. But honestly, doing that, all that stuff for people like him has turned out really good. I come from his, इनके क्षेत्र से आते हैं तो I have seen the way he has been working. So no doubt, apart from his business endeavors, this man has actually been working every single day with almost like 5,000 people every single day, trying to educate people on how to do politics at the younger level with complete ethics. So I appreciate Sunny Singh for such a wonderful initiative. And we want leaders like you to be joining us, or very soon BJP बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट और सबका साथ सबका विकास हमारे साथ भी रहेगा. And we actually miss the presence of Rakesh Doltabaji. Unfortunately, he had to go to a function in Chandigarh, so he could not join us, but we are more than happy to have him on along with us. So thank you so much. Sir, so this, we have to share this story, like ये चीज़, ये इवेंट हम लोग के लिए क्यों इतना करीबी है. सुनील सर have been, he wanted to, so along with us we have a person who came from a retailer background, who was a distributor, had a vision कि भैया आज एक बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ, कल को एक कंपनी बनूंगा. वो आजकल सर गाड़ियों में लिखा होता है, ट्रकों के पीछे लिखा होता है, मारुति गाड़ी होती है, बड़ी होके मर्सिडीज बनूंगी. So something like that, he had that vision of actually doing something good in life. Sunil sir is the founder of SPE, along with Niklesh sir. Unfortunately, we miss our CEO's presence today. Tirelessly काम करने के बाद मैंने अपनी जैसे टीम को ब्रीफ करा. From past 1 month, रात को सोना नहीं, 20 घंटे काम करना and all that stuff, just for the sake of bringing something which is very, very innovative and very, very advanced in the fintech industry. So last moment, kal subah he had this health issues and he has been admitted to the hospital. So that is why the energy is little low from our side, because we miss our leader, we miss our CEO here, who has actually made this complete setup and reached us 1,000 करोड़ का सपना पूरा किया है. और आगे चल के हमें जो दिखाते हैं और जो प्रेशर देते हैं वो 2,000 करोड़ का देते रहते हैं. So he is the one who keeps us going. So we miss him today, but thankfully Sunil sir is there. So we have you with us. सर आपको इतना ज़रूर बोलूँगा सर, Sachin and me have been with you, through you, all these people have been with you, but we assure you something, on the behalf of our complete sales staff sitting here, we will never disappoint you. We will never disappoint you. क्या हम disappoint करेंगे? So we will never disappoint you. So this is what our S-Space team, and a big round of applause for you people, especially for actually hitting the 1,000 crore mark again. Thank you so much. And thank you so much to Sunil sir for believing in us, for taking this opportunity कि ये लोग हैं, ये टीम है तो इनके साथ ये सपना देख सकते हैं. Sir, we have achieved our biggest milestone again. We have achieved 51 crore in a single day. तो वो हमारा एक another milestone था जो हमने last month किया. And the second highest figure was 2 days back. We achieved 46 CR without support. सचिन जी hashtag लगाते हैं उस पर, without support ज़रूर बोलना. Without support of 46 CR in a single day, and this is a wonderful figure, which I'm sure from the sales point of view, Dheeraj sir will understand very clearly that how full of roadblocks this journey has been. So we are launching our version 2.0 today. SPay is always committed to bring in something which is innovative, which is advanced to the public, to our retail segment, retail chain. Today we serve 30,000 retailers pan India. We wish and we aim to achieve somewhere around close to 1 million retail chain, direct and indirect, through our channel within 5 years. So that is a vision we see together. So I would like to again close my speech by thanking Shashank sir for coming for us, Sunny Singh, Daulatabad bhai for coming for us, and of course Dheeraj Kakar. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. We have some functions. We have some honors we would like to have from you, sir. That will be a privilege for actually launching a small event and cutting a small ceremony. So Mehak will further take it forward. Mehak, thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर और तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए आज की शाम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन लेट्स हैव द केक कटिंग सेरेमनी सेलिब्रेट दिस इवनिंग एंड should be clear in front of all the eyes, ladies and gentlemen. The next target is going to be 2000 CR, hopefully very soon, with all the determination, hard work, and all the efforts you guys have been putting, to make this vision turning into from a dream to a reality. So let's have the cake cutting ceremony, and I'll request the banquet staff to please bring in the cake, and let's have the cake cutting ceremony. Well, meanwhile, we're just getting the cake. Can I request all our dignitaries to please join us right here and say a few words, anything you would like to say, any message you would like to give the company, or any few words, Saurabh and Mr. Sachin, I would like to request you all to please let us know, our dignitaries, to please say a few words one by one.
Voices coming? First of all, Sunil ji and मैं आपकी पूरी टीम को congratulate करता हूँ to achieving your milestone and setting a new milestone for your next journey. मैं उनके लिए congratulate करता हूँ and the level of energy I have seen in your team definitely जो time आपने decide किया है तो I think उससे कम ही time में you will able to achieve it because your team is full of energy and छोटा भाई मैं थोड़ा सा when you have the energetic team and your intentions are clear and you have a clear vision then your path will become short आपका रास्ता छोटा होता चला जाता है आप when you start you will think you have to go away बहुत दूर आपको जाना है बट जब आप इस विजन के साथ काम करते हैं तो यू विल फील कि बहुत जल्दी आपको रास्ता छोटा लगने लग जाता है व्हेन यू हैव द लीडरशिप ऑफ लाइक आई हैव सीन सुनील जी एंड सौरभ एंड ऑल योर टीम and moreover to this I also when I go through this company profile and all the things I look at the two things. One key you are giving additional employment or profitability to the shopkeepers and the merchants and this matlab you are raising their income levels and more important to that because we are in this social field we are in political life so we have to visit every area like this platform this technology platform is connecting the last man who are in our hierarchy who is not educated who is not tech savvy and उन लोगों के लिए you are making the things easy आप उनको you are how to send money to their relatives friends family बहुत सारी migrant laborers and they have a big issue of it because I am in construction तो I am aware कि जो laborers हैं और वो सारी चीजें हैं they find it very difficult to how to do this तो I congratulate again Spy India कि आप बहुत तरक्की करें and जो हमारे एंड जो लोग हैं जो एजुकेटेड नहीं है उनको एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिले जिससे कि वो अपनी चीज़ों को जो फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शंस हैं उनको बड़ी इजीली दे कैन एबल टू अचीव. तो अगेन आई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ऑल ओवर योर टीम एंड आई विश ऑल द सक्सेस इन योर एंडेवर्स. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you so much, Sunny ji. एक बार जोर से तालियां हो जाए everybody. I'll also request Mr. Joshi and Mr. Kakkar to please say a few words. Mr. Kakkar to please say a few words. Over to you.
नमस्कार शशांक जी, सुनील, सनी भाई, स्पे इंडिया टीम, सबसे पहले तो आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद स्पे इंडिया के, आपने शशांक और हमें अपने इस फंक्शन में बुलाया और आगे साथ बढ़ने के लिए हम लोग काम करने के लिए ऑलरेडी डिस्कशन चल रहा है. बट जो मैंने अभी देखा और जो आप लोगों ने बताया उससे मुझे लगता है कि स्पे इंडिया की टीम काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है, काफ़ी मोटिवेटेड है और वो अभी यहाँ रुकने वाली नहीं है. ये तो शुरुआत है, मंजिल बहुत दूर है. ये देश बहुत बड़ा है, 130 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन है, बहुत दूर तक जाना है. जैसा अभी सनी भाई ने भी कहा कि ये जो बैंकिंग है ना, ये बैंकिंग पहले कुछ सालों से पहले तो सिर्फ अर्बन लोगों के पास ही थी, बड़े बड़े शहरों में थी, लोगों के पास सिर्फ बैंक अकाउंट थे. ये पिछले 5-6 सालों में अगर आप देखें तो आज बैंकिंग गांव-गांव तक पहुंच गई है. लोगों के जनधन अकाउंट खुल गए हैं, लोगों को अब आधार बेस पैसा मिलने लगा है, उनको लोगों पे डिपेंडेंसी ख़त्म होती जा रही है कि उनको पैसा कहाँ से मिलेगा, क्या है, घर बैठे सुविधाएं मिल रही हैं. तो इस तरह का जो फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन हो रहा है, तो ये एक बिज़नेस नहीं है, एक सोशल सर्विस है. आज हम लोगों को उनके पास उनका मेहनत की कमाई सीधे उनके हाथों में पहुंचा रहे हैं विद द टेक्नोलॉजी. ये इससे बड़ा कोई भी बिजनेस मॉडल, कोई भी प्रयास नहीं हो सकता. और साथ के साथ ये मोनेटाइजेशन भी है, जॉब भी डेवलप कर रहा है. जो मर्चेंट्स हैं उनको इंक्रीमेंटल रेवेन्यू प्रोपोजिशन भी दे रहा है कि आप सारे काम करिए, आप 4 काम कर रहे हैं आप करते रहिए, साथ में आप इसको भी करिए. 24/7 ATM. आज आप बैंक के एटीएम में जाएंगे 3-4 बजे, कभी कैश खत्म हो जाता है गांव में, कभी बैंक एटीएम काम नहीं कर रहा. बट ये जो एटीएम है, ये जो फैसिलिटी है 24/7 है, डोर स्टेप है. आप घर जाके भी किसी बुजुर्ग माता को, बहनों को, भाइयों को आप पैसे दे सकते हैं. तो इसके कई सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. रेमिटेंस इज़ वन ऑफ द थिंग जो आपने आज डिस्कशन करा, 1000 CR, 1000 CR, 2000 CR, पर ये उससे बहुत बहुत कुछ और है इस फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन में. और जो हम DMT की बात कर रहे हैं वो 10% है. जो 90% इंडिया है वो भारत है, जहाँ पे लोगों को पैसे की आवश्यकता है. आपको वहाँ पे पहुँचाना है अपने नेटवर्क को, और उस नेटवर्क के ज़रिए आपको वो सारी सुविधाएं देनी हैं जो शायद आज का एक बंदा जो दिल्ली में बैठा है वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है. चाहे उसको म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करना हो, चाहे उसको FD बनवाना हो, चाहे उसको इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी लेनी हो, चाहे उसको अपने बच्चे के लिए लोन लेना हो, चाहे उसको अपने बिजनेस में 5-7 दिनों के लिए शॉर्ट टर्म लोन लेना हो. तो अब वो सारी सुविधाएं हमारे को ब्लॉक लेवल से सब सर्विस एरिया, विलेज लेवल पे लेके जानी है. और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि स्पे इंडिया का जैसा आपका पोर्टल है, जैसा आपका प्लेटफॉर्म है, जैसा आपने सर्विसेज ऐड करी हैं, इससे ज़रूर हम उस चीज़ों को अचीव करेंगे. और इस फिनटेक बिजनेस मॉडल में एक बहुत बड़ा मुकाम स्पे इंडिया अपना बना पाएगी. इन सभी इसके साथ ही मैं आप सबको शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kakkar. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the time have come. We all are gathered here. We are going to celebrate this evening with a cake cutting ceremony. So let's have once again Mr. Sachin and Mr. Saurabh to please assist all our dignitaries, and joining us in the cake cutting ceremony version 2.0, 1000 CR celebration, everybody. तालियां होनी चाहिए, everyone, come on. It's a celebration time for Spay India.
Congratulations.
It's a celebration, everybody.
Celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented. But that was in the bad old days before I met you. Oh, when I
And once again, many celebration. Let's have our dignitaries joining us in for the ribbon cutting ceremony. Well, this evening will be impossible without the ribbon cutting ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, let's unveil our version 2.0 with a ribbon cutting ceremony. And honors will be done by our dignitaries and, of course, the special guests. All right, everyone, let's put our hands together once again. Version 2.0. All right, everybody, आप सब तैयार हैं वर्जन 2.0 के लिए? थोड़ा सा शोर होना चाहिए. तैयार हैं everybody? Come on. I'll request the banquet team to please get the scissor fast. Thank you. All right, everyone. We are really fortunate to have all of you joining us in this journey to reach version 2.0 that we are going to unveil today. Okay, with this, the scissor is right here. I'll request our dignitaries to do the honors and unveil version 2.0. So let's do the countdown. 3, 2, and here we go. Here we have, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for version 2.0.
Not your commodity, taking me for granted, now you gotta leave. I don't wanna hear your apologies, no more lies. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody, for gracing this evening. Once again, a special thanks to all our dignitaries. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the dinner is all set. You all can proceed for the dinner. Thank you so much. This is your corporate host, Mehak Dhawan, signing off.
I'm sorry, I have to, we forgot one thing. I request Sunil sir to please come and say a few words, please.
So thanks sir, शशांक सर एंड सनी भाई, आप यहाँ पे वेलकम है एसपी इंडिया के वर्जन इनॉग्रेशन पे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. और बाकी यार गाइस, आप सबका बहुत थैंक यू. बाकी हम निकलेश को बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे आज? यार उसकी मेहनत थी. आज अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसका जो मेडिकल का हुआ, जो हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गया, वो अभी भी उसका मैसेज आ रहा है मेरे को कि यार मैं गुस्सा हूँ, मेरे को लेके जा. तू वहाँ बैठा है लेकिन मेरे को चल ठीक है तूने कर दिया, बट मेरे को लेके जा यहाँ से, निकाल, मैं फंस गया यहाँ पे. अभी भी जनरली उसके मैसेज आ रहे हैं. तो थैंक यू यार निखिलेश. एंड मैं निखिलेश का बहुत बहुत थैंक यू हूँगा यार, जो कंपनी को हमने ज़ीरो से हमने कहाँ पहुँचाया है। और आप सबका पूरे सेल्स टीम का थैंक यू वेरी मच कि आप लोगों की मेहनत जो आज रंग ला रही है। हम लोग सबको पता है, यहाँ तक आई थिंक सो सभी को पता होगा हमारा और निखिलेश का, मेरा और निखिलेश का सफ़र कैसा रहा और कहाँ यहाँ कंपनी का, और हमने जीरो से कैसे स्टार्टअप किया और हम यहाँ पे कैसे पहुँचे। और फ्यू मंथ्स या लास्ट हम 2.5 years ही हुए हैं हम लोगों को कंपनी को जनरेट किए हुए, और अभी हमने 1000 करोड़ का टारगेट अचीव करा है। और नेक्स्ट हमारा टारगेट क्या है, कब तक हो जाएगा? पक्का? देखो सर बैठे हैं सामने, वो पकड़ लेंगे हमें। वो कह रहे हैं नेक्स्ट 15 का कब केक कट करना है बता दो, कर लें इनवाइट, ठीक है ना? चलो बैठ, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
Thank you so much, Mr. Sunil, for motivating everybody. And yes, once again, the dreams should be turned into reality very soon. Thank you so much once again, everybody, for being part of this evening. We'll request you all, you may proceed for the dinner. Thank you.
Hello guys, are you excited? One thing I can say all of you, कि we are missing Nikhilesh sir very very lot. So I want you to be 3 cheers for Nikhilesh sir. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you guys, thank you.
Saying that you wanna make love to me, not your commodity. Taking it for granted, now you gotta leave. I don't wanna hear your apologies. Who are you supposed to be? Don't you meet me in the car? Now we're alone in the dark. You try to kiss me. I told you stop, 'cause I wanted you so apart. From the
ले लो दो पाँच
I'm watching with a wandering eye. I'm waiting as time draws nigh. Hear the music run down your shoulders. Close your eyes and see the world as it truly is. Be the change you believe in. Create something greater than yourself. I'm watching with a wandering eye. I'm waiting as time draws nigh. Hear the music run down your shoulders. Close your eyes and see the world as it truly is. Be the change you believe in. Create something greater than yourself.
Run from reaching that